terrific day to all. Today, we present the on-the-job training journey of the Northern Quezon College Incorporated and Adamson University interns of 2025 in Infanta Quezon Water District.
Infanta Quezon Water District was established in 1982. They supply a safe and quality drinking water to residents of Infanta Quezon.
On-the-job training is more than just a requirement. It is a bridge between education and reality. It is where theories become work, challenges becomes growth, and students begin their journey to young professionals.
Here in Infanta Quezon, several established organizations continue to shape the lives of the community and the youth. Among them, one stands out for its commitment to public service, sustainability, and youth development, the Infanta Quezon Water District.
The Infanta Quezon Water District is a government-owned and controlled corporation that are responsible for delivering safe and reliable water to the people of Infanta. Guided by its mandate of service, Infanta Quezon Water District ensures the continuous supply of potable water, from source to treatment to distribution.
Beyond operations, IQWD opens its doors to young professionals in training. Their internship opportunities span technical work, administrative support, and field exposure, which help future industry practitioners develop their skills and character. This year's internship program welcomes 16 student interns from NQCI and Adamson University, assigned across different units from operations to administration and community engagement.
The program runs from July 2025 to November 2025 with the shared objective of strengthening technical capability, work, discipline, and understanding of public service within a real-world environment.
Let's meet our interns.
Waterific day to all.
Waterific day to all. Ako po si Patrick. Waterific day to all. Ako po si
Waterific day to all. Waterific day to all.
Waterific day to all. Ako po si Alaysa Maricentia.
Ako po si Vince Ordaneta.
Ako si Bernadette A. Lariosa.
Ako po si Luis Andre Osiliano.
Ako po si Patricio Marie Portales.
Ako po si Diana Kayla M. Marquisilio.
Ako po si Mark Daimo Corralde. Ako po si Matt Vincent Nardo.
Ako po si Giselle Rodriguez Curato.
Ako nga po pala si Junel Gary Parotapio.
Ako po si Luis Marco Oralde.
Ako po si Jubel Rhea Conchada, a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration student, major in Financial Management.
My name is Joven Mantorico Riazon.
Ako naman po si Maxine Luna, a Bachelor of Science and Business Administration student, major in Human Resource Development and Management from Northern Quezon College Incorporated.
Waterific day to all. I'm Alfredo Febi Potes, a Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering student from Adamson University.
Every journey begins with a choice.
For each of us, selecting IQWD was more than an academic requirement. It was a deliberate decision.
Pinili kong mag-OJT sa Infanta Quezon Water District dahil gusto kong magkaroon ng praktikal na kaalaman sa isang organisasyong naglilingkod sa publiko. Bilang financial management student, malaking oportunidad para sa akin na makita ang aktwal na proseso ng billing, documentation at iba pang financial transactions.
So, bakit IQWD? Dahil na-suggest dito nung kaibigan ko dahil sabi niya mababait ang mga employee dito at magagaling magturo.
I choose IQWD dahil unang-una, yung pagiging practical kasi malapit talaga siya sa boarding house ko. Hindi ako mag-expense ng transportation. At the same time, nung first ever ko na nakapasok sa IQWD, napansin ko talaga yung pagiging professional nila in terms na sa pakikipag-usap sa mga customer.
Before we entered the workplace, we carried our own expectations about the environment, the challenges, and the skills we were hoping to gain.
Bago pa man magsimula ang OJT, inaasahan kong matututunan ko ang mga aktwal na proseso na may kinalaman sa aming field. Inaasahan ko rin na mabibigyan ako ng task na makakatulong para ma-enhance ko ang skill ko mula sa communication, technical task hanggang sa professionalism.
About naman sa expectation, na-expect ko nung una matututo ako and makakabanding ko yung mga ibang empleyado here at IQWD.
Ang expectations ko noong papasok pa lang ako sa IQWD ay sana magkaroon ako ng hands-on experiences, lalo na sa office tasks tulad ng documentation, encoding at pag-assist sa clients. Naasahan ko rin na matututo ako ng actual processes sa commercial unit, kung paano sila nag-handle ng customer concerns at iba pang transactions. Siyempre, ina-expect ko rin na professional ngunit welcoming ang working environment.
Then, the internship began, and reality met expectation.
Inside IQWD, every day brought new tasks, responsibilities, and opportunities to learn, whether in the office or in the field. We were introduced to systems that support an entire community.
During my OJT period, I've experienced some tasks na related to HR, such as check-in attendance, including leaves, leads, and absences.
Overwhelming po yung mga staff at mababait po sila at maayos po yung mag-entertain sa mga OJTs.
Sa panahon ng OJT ko, natutunan ko ang tamang paraan ng pag-asikaso sa mga dokumento ay pag-ugnayan sa mga kliyente at pag-assist sa mga gawain ng opisina. Naging malaking tulong din ang mga advice na binibigay nila sa akin.
And from those experiences came valuable learnings.
Here, we discover not only technical knowledge but discipline and professionalism required in real operations. Through mentorship and guidance, we learn how role contributes to the greater function of water district.
Sa loob po ng 300 hours na pagtitrain ko po sa IQWD, marami po akong natutunan gaya na lang po ng tamang paggamit ng Excel tapos pag-encode. Ganon din po kung paano makisalamuha sa mga empleyado at kung paano pahalagahan yung oras. Ang dami po talaga. Pero ang pinakatumatak po sa akin ay yung respect, na kahit anong katayuan po nila ay marunong po silang rumispeto sa isa't isa.
Ang lesson ng learning ko po sa IQWD ay never stop to try, kasi kung nahihirapan ka tapos natapos mo yung pinapagawa nila sa iyo, masasabi mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo rin pala kahit mahirap, at sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam pag may natatapos ka sa maghapon.
My internship journey here at IQWD has truly been one of the most meaningful experience in my academic life. From my first day up to the last, I have learned so many things that go beyond what can be taught inside the classroom. I gained not only technical knowledge but also valuable lessons about professionalism, teamwork, and dedication to public service.
Internship is more than a checklist of tasks. It is a mindset, one built on respect, curiosity, and willingness to grow.
Ire-recommend ko ang IQWD sa mga future OJT dahil maganda yung training na binibigay nila. Tapos mababait at approachable yung mga employees at marami talagang matututunan na magagamit sa totoong trabaho. Tapos maganda rin yung kanilang working environment, kaya mabilis kang makaka-adjust at mas gaganda yung work attitude mo.
Honestly, IQWD is highly recommendable. Isa na ako sa nagpapakatotoo nito. Sa mga tao pa lang, hindi mo mararamdaman na left out ka. Hindi mo marinig sa kanila yung salitang OJT ka lang dahil dito they respect us and they treat us also as an employee.
Based on my internship experience, masasabi ko na highly recommended ang internship program dito sa Infanta Quezon Water District. hindi lang para sa business students kundi pati na rin sa mga STEM-related programs, lalo na sa engineering at para na rin sa mga curious kung paano gumagana ang water system dito sa Infanta Quezon. Marami kayong matututunan mula sa mga ongoing at future projects ng IQWD dahil hands-on at supportive ang mga supervisors.
Throughout our stay, the IQWD employees played a significant role in our journey.
To our supervisors, mentors, and every staff member who guide us, thank you.
Your patience, expertise, and trust allowed us to learn, to contribute, and to understand the true essence of public service.
Thank you, Supply and Assistant B Unit.
Thank you, Property Officer Unit.
Thank you, Cashiering Unit. Thank you, Commercial Unit.
Thank you, Accounting Department Unit.
Thank you, Admin and General Services Unit.
Thank you, Operation and Maintenance Unit.
Thank you, Office of the General Manager.
May this experience guide us forward in our careers and in our purpose.
This has been the IQWD internship journey, a story of learning, service, and growth.
Thank you, IQWD!